Hey ladies, it's your girl Amber and welcome back to my channel. Ladies, if you're new here, I just want to say welcome. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Ladies, tonight we're gonna be making a lemon drop martini. It's a super classic drink. It's so delicious and you're gonna wanna stay tuned for this one. So I want you to go ahead and get that outfit that you feel super confident in and maybe right back here in this kitchen. But before you go, there's gonna be a few items you'll need for tonight's drink. You're gonna need vodka, fresh squeezed lemon juice, simple syrup, a glass, some sugar, and your mixer. I'll be waiting. Great, you're back and you look super fabulous. Let's go ahead and set the mood. I'm gonna go ahead and light my candles. And we're gonna go ahead and get started with this drink. So I'm gonna take my glass and I'm gonna take a lemon wedge and I'm gonna just coat the rim. I'm using here sugar cane. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that sugar on here. You can use whatever sugar you want. I like sugar cane, so that's what I'm using. So next, I'm gonna take my mixer glass. I'm going ahead and fill it up with some ice. Got my ice. So I'm taking 2 ounces of vodka, 1 ounce of simple syrup, and 1 ounce of fresh squeezed lemon juice. I'm gonna go ahead and give it a good shake. I'm gonna take my glass. I'm gonna fill it. I'm gonna take my little lemon peel. And there you have it, the lemon drop martini. Cheers. Bomb. Well, ladies, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you next time. Bye.